In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Facebook profile. So if you've locked your Facebook profile and you want to make your profile public again, these steps will guide you through. First, open Facebook. Once open, you want to tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen to take you to your profile menu. On the menu page, you want to tap on the gear icon. This will take you to your settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you want to scroll down till you find audience and visibility. Here you're going to see profile locking. Tap on profile locking. Here you're going to see unlock. When you unlock your Facebook profile, your profile settings will be set back to any settings you previously had on your profile. Tap on unlock, and here it reads that your settings will return to the way they were before you locked your profile on the date when you locked your profile. Tap on unlock your profile, and your Facebook profile will be unlocked. So that's how to unlock profile on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.